Okay. Okay.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Josie Marilyn Dimanali. You guys all know me. The speech that I will be addressing you guys on today is focused on recycling materials to protect our environment. Now, how many people do you know read the paper on a daily basis and then throw it away when they're done? How many individuals drink some sort of bottled beverage throughout the day, then throw that away when they're done? Therein lies our problem. Too many people are not recycling, and it's slowly killing our environment. When you go home to your house, your apartment, whatever it may be, do you just take out the trash and throw it in the trash bin without even looking? I mean, that's what we are doing when we're not recycling. Today, I would like to bring to the forefront the issues we are facing with trash buildup, what recycling does and how it helps, and what we can do to help. We face a large problem of trash buildup on our earth. Earth 911 states that every year Americans throw away enough paper and plastic cups, spoons, and forks to circle the equator 300 times. The rate in which we dispose of waste is astonishing. Every year, Americans use approximately 102.1 billion tons of plastic bags, creating tons of landfill waste. Now keep in mind, plastic bags do not biodegrade. Light breaks them down into smaller and smaller particles that contaminate our water and soil. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, also known as the EPA, stated in 2008 that paper and paper board made up 31% of municipal waste and plastic bags made up 12%. Now that we know a few facts on the rate at which we dispose of waste, let's next discuss the hazardous effects of landfills. In 2008, the average amount of waste that Americans produce per day was 4.5 pounds. 1.1 of that was recycled. Pollution is happening to air, water, and land. When we do not recycle, it either goes to landfills or be dumped in the ocean. Landfills can pollute our soil and leak methane gas into the atmosphere. According to the Clean Air Council, the EPA reports in 2008 that 33% of municipal waste was recycled, and municipal waste only makes up for a small portion of all waste generated. The barrels of landfills will eventually break and leak toxic chemicals into our ground and water surface. In a 2008 survey of landfills done by Zero Waste America, 82% of surveyed landfill cells already had leaks, and 41% of them had leaks larger than 1 square foot. We're fast running out of space in our landfills, especially near cities. Okay, though landfills may have their benefits, we are now aware of a few of their hazardous effects. Let's next go into what will happen if we continue to abuse our natural resources. The EPA concludes that the average American uses about 100-foot tall Douglas fir tree worth of paper and wood products every year. And that's a pretty big tree. The average office worker utilizes about 10,000 sheets of copy paper every year, which makes up for 400 million tons of copy paper annually. If you don't recycle paper, more trees will be cut down, decreasing our oxygen and increasing carbon dioxide. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I'm pretty sure that I need oxygen to survive. The amount of aluminum currently recycled every year is enough to rebuild our entire airplane commercial fleet every 6 months, which was concluded by the Northeast Recycling Council. If you don't recycle aluminum, much more of the Earth's energy will be put into making it from scratch. Likewise for glass. This is easier to reuse than it is to manufacture. I know many of you are probably thinking, well, what am I supposed to do? Well, here are some 3 easy steps to start your own little recycling program at home. Step 1, choose a little spot in your kitchen, somewhere in your home, to place a small to medium-sized container or bin for your daily disposed recyclables. Step 2, choose a spot in your home, such as your garage or basement, to place 2 larger containers or bins to sort out those recyclables. Make sure you label them. Container 1, paper, milk cartons, or container 2, aluminum, plastic bottles. And step 3, once a week, secure them with lids as to protect them from the elements outside, and then place them on the curbside for pickup. Too easy, right? Now let me leave you guys with some final thoughts. I hope you now have a deeper appreciation for the troubles we face with the increase of landfills all over the world. I hope that I have explained to you guys the benefits of reusing and recycling goods and how we can make a difference for our future. We're all adults. Let's make a difference. Voice your opinion and do what's right. And the next time you pick up an exponent or take a sip out of that bottled beverage, makes a conscious effort to locate a recycling bin instead of the nearest trash can. Thank you.
Yay!